Cordless Vacuum, Deik Stick Vacuum Cleaner, 18 kPa lightweight rechargeable 2 inches 1 handheld vacuum with 220W digital motor, HEPA filter and LED brush for home and pet hair cleaning. Get rid of the noise. Deik Stick Vacuum Cleaner lowers the noise to 65 decibels when it running, which is quieter than most vacuum and no need to worry about disturbing your kids and shocking your pets again. Giving you a quiet cleaning experience. Long-lasting power-up battery, 2 levels adjustment. The performance of detachable fadeless lithium battery is 50% higher than traditional battery. Fully charged in just 4 hours, up to 30 minutes in standard mode and 15 minutes in max mode. Giving a longer service life for your cordless vacuum.